Good day everyone, my name is Kelvin Yong. So I will present my topic is about online student engagement in fundamental of entrepreneurial acculturations during COVID-19 outbreak. So this is the introductions. Back in early 2020, the COVID-19 has forced the higher learning and school to shut down all across the world, leaving the student out of the classroom. As a result, most of education institutes change their traditional learning into online learning. So online learning can be defined as a learning experience in synchronous or asynchronous environment using different devices such as mobile, laptop with internet access. The student engagement during learning activity is very important, especially in online learning during COVID-19 outbreak. So online learning has been studied in higher education based on history researcher. As a result, we understand very little about how integrate students engage in online learning from self-determined theory. So student engagement refers to student active involvement in educationally effective method and their dedications to educational goal and learning. It is a key to high value educational outcome like academic achievement. So many people have used online platform to respond to COVID-19. So therefore, this study investigates students from the fundamental of entrepreneurial acculturations or APK course at University of Sabah. And then there has been a little research focusing on online student engagement in teaching entrepreneurship courses online in the literature, especially for students came from science cluster background. Okay, so the objective of this study is to investigate student characteristics during online class, to investigate the level of online student engagement in APK course. So this is the problem statement where during online environment, students may feel isolated and disconnected. So student engagement is very crucial to student learning. So COVID-19 has transformed teaching from face-to-face to online method. So many students may need to learn basic of online learning. So as a result, it both academic and practitioner to consider future educations, particularly the role of technology in education. So students and lecturers should explore to use technology as a tool for learning. So according to research, this lecturer should think about honing their pedagogical ability in order to increase student participation in online course. Uh, Majority of the study focusing on student satisfactions or desire using online learning, but less study on online student engagement. So as a result, this study reveal what engage science cluster student in entrepreneurship course during online learning. So the significance of this study is to boost student satisfaction and learning the course, enhance student motivations to learn, reduce the sense of isolation during online class, and improve student performance in the future. The finding can significantly contribute to the literature result can provide an understanding of the type and level of student engagement in the online learning, okay, especially in the entrepreneurship course. Similar findings suggest that it provides a framework for the development of effective program that will engage students. Okay, so this is the literature review that we get. So we have three variables, which is skill engagements, emotional engagement, and participation engagement. So this is the definitions of it. The methodology is we use convenience sampling, underlying theory, we use self-determination theory, data analysis, we use SPSS 25, distribution of questionnaire, we use survey questionnaire using Google Form. Sample size selection is conservative sampling where all samples are taken into account. Is a quantitative approach. The total respondent that we get a valid one is 467, and unit of analysis is APK student. So the underpin theory for this research is we use self-determinations of theory. Okay, so this is a study of how and why people act, taking into account the cause and effect of more or less autonomy and control reasons for participations. So the self-determination theory is aligned with online student engagement because student engagement is a multi-dimensional construct with four dimensions which include behavior, cognitive, emotion, and adjective. Okay. Furthermore, student engagement has traditionally have been viewed as an effect of motivational process. Okay. Uh, Cultivating various sort of motivation are an energy source that motivates students to participate in the learning activity. So this is the respondent characteristics. Okay. So this is the means for skill engagement. So mostly all are moderate. Okay. The higher is I listen, read carefully. Okay, so this is the mean for emotion. Okay, it's quite the score mean is quite high. The okay rank number one is I find way to make the course material relevant to my life. Okay, means for participation engagement is this. Okay, mostly moderate. Okay, the highest is I engage in conversations, online chat, the discussion and email. So you can get the source from this researcher. The win for online student engagement, if you can see, rank number one is emotion engagement. Secondly is participant engagements. Third is skill engagements. Okay, so you can see skill is moderate, emotional is high. The score means participation is high also. So during online classes, 70% prefer to hybrid. So this because some students are unable to connect to internet during online class in the rural area. Some have issue internet stability. Therefore, lecturer can upload teaching video on YouTube or Facebook, so students can learn their own pace in any place in their own time lah. Okay, so during online class, 56 students are located outside campus during MCO, and most students choose to stay at home rather than at the campus. 37 students connect to the internet via Unify. Okay, university Wi-Fi or home connection, so indicate that student is able to connect to internet during the online class, where 25% using connect to internet using data, mobile data. 68% of the students say that they might become entrepreneur, and 9% say no. This because ethical student is from science cluster background with zero knowledge in business. Okay, so the APK course can invite entrepreneur speaker from science cluster to give talk, motivate and teach them about the entrepreneurship in real case study. In addition to gain student attention, lecturer can modify the course to make it more relevant to real world applications. So 64% students will prefer learning environment with hybrid approach. Okay, in the future, which means online class and face-to-face class. Combine it together, it suggests that 70% of the class should be held face-to-face and 30% online class. So this can boost their satisfaction and learning experience in learning the course. Okay. As a conclusions, emotion engagement score the highest means compared to skill and participatory engagement. Emotional engagement is a student involvement in the university. So when the students are emotionally engaged, they will want to participate in the university and enjoy the assignment task given. So the study contribution include adding knowledge in literature as well as suggestions to improve university learner engagement in online learning. Overall, the study finding have significant for developing and delivering an attractive design course and delivery to ensure student involvement in both online and face-to-face setting. So that's all for me. Thank you very much.